everyone, my name is Harshal. In this video we are going to talk about EC2 instance, which is provided by your AWS. AWS stands for Amazon Web Services, which is used to host your particular website. It is used to make the website visible to all the users in the world, or you can host particularly your website, one website, two website, or three website on creating different E2C instance. E2C instance is nothing. EC2 instance is nothing but EC2 stands for Elastic Cloud Computing, which provides the instance to host your particular website. So, this instance have some settings like inbound settings, outbound settings, on which your particular website traffic will be managed. And when you take this particular instance, you will get the remote access to the PC, which is established by the Amazon Web Services. On that particular PC, you can deploy your particular project or do some configurations like firewall settings, etc. When this particular project, the Amazon use the AMD processor and NVIDIA graphic cards, which is the heavy card, and their net speed is up to the 400 GB per second. So you can imagine how fast it is. So this particular setting is provided by this particular EC2 instance. You can create the multiple instances. You can for creating different projects, or you can deploy one single project in single instance. There are some configurations in your inbound and outbound setting, like your all TCP, custom TCP, all UDPI, all traffic. If you want to allow all the traffic, or there is a custom TCP which is used to initialize the port on which port your project going to be hosted. As you have seen in the website, there is a IP address then port 8080, which is commonly used. If you want to change that particular port, you can use this particular custom TCP and give the port as 8081, which then your project will be run on that particular port. Then there is some outbound setting, which is like all traffic allowed, means all the traffic will be allowed without any restriction. So this particular website will be going to visible to all particular globally. Then there are some other services which is you can take under this particular instance, which is nothing. Second, this here for security. Then there is a database. So why a database? So if suppose you have to access to database, or your data is very huge and your database is not sufficient to handle that particular data, then you can take this particular database of Amazon service. Then there is a particular elastic IP concept, which is another service by this instance which you can take. Suppose you are using the public address. Once the PC restart, this public address you have to change. So again you have to give this particular IP address. But when you take this particular elastic IP address, this IP address does not change, and it is remain the constant unless you release this particular elastic IP address, or you can until you have deleted that particular instance. So this is all about your EC2. Thank you so much.